32 Action! Ow!
A few moments later.
Then speak.
What?
I will recognizing to speak to English.
ಹಣ ಬಂದ ಏನೋ ಅದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗರ ತರ ಅಣಬೆಂದೆ
For you say something word in English.
Then you translate in English to Marathi?
I translate in Marathi.
Then you speak English. Then I will translate to Marathi.
A few inches later.
Marathi. What speaking?
No, say something word that I'll translate in Marathi.
What is माझ्या मायला?
What?
माझ्या मायला.
I don't know that.
Why? It is dirty word.
I don't know.
Why?
Say something.
I know what something.
What?
You just look like a.
Don't know English.
I know.
You talk with
We
me.
talk English, then you will not understanding.
Control.
Because you are mad
Okay,
girl.
now you translate in Marathi.
I don't know Marathi. Only complain.
हुंकार भरे बादल गरजे गरजे तलवार उड़े बिजली कड़के पग धर दे जहां धरती धूजे धूजे बन काल मराठा बन जीते
12 seconds later.
Okay, you say
What you say?
you eat
What is
dinner.
What word?
You say
Huh.
you ate dinner. Say.
I eat dinner. You my dear.
टक टक दे करो सावरिया टक टक दे करो सावरिया मभी वर देख देख नाचरी
2 hours later.
Don't say I.
Huh.
Say you.
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 You. Then you tell me to Marathi.
Yes.
Tell.
Say something word.
What is माझ्या मायला?
I don't know that.
मतलब वो अलग ही लेवल का बंदा था.
I don't know that.
Why?
No.
It's a Marathi word.
You know about Tulu.
Tulu means.
ತುಳುನಾಡ ಸೀಮೆಡು ಕಮರೊಟ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮೋಡು ಗುಡ್ಡೆದ ಭೂತ ಉಂಡು
It's a
English
language
language.
of
Kerala.
Dakshina Kannada.
समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो
दक्षिण कन्नड.
You know about Dakshin Kannada? It's a Uttar Kannada. That's the Dakshin.
आप कहाँ थे ज्ञानी बाबा
Kannada.
South. Do not talk to
Tulu
South language.
Barpunda.
Huh?
Tulu Barpunda.
I doesn't.
Barpuche.
I doesn't understand Kannada.
It's not Kannada. It's
It's a
Tulu. Tulu parpe. Tulu nada.
Tulu Barpunda. Tulu Che.
Then you talk Marathi. Some
What?
word.
You know about Marathi?
Some.
Yes.
Speak with me Marathi.
Say something word so that I will translate in
Translate,
Marathi.
Yeah.
Had you eat
With Devki Mami, I talks in Marathi.
Marathi?
Some words. Some 2 words in Marathi. You will teach to my.
Look.
will twist to
I'll say
Yeah.
I'll say something in English
Okay.
and I'll only
Translate
translate
in Marathi. Okay.
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 You did your dinner.
Yeah.
तू जेवलीस का?
तू जेवलास का? तू जेवलास का? तू जेवलास का? जेवलास का?
क्या जेवलीस का? क्या जेवलीस का? What is the meaning?
तू जेवलीस का?
नाही. हम ना जेवलीस का.
6 hours later.
Then next word.
word you tell.
You first tell in English, then translate to Marathi. Told something.
Okay. This flower is so beautiful.
What's flower?
Wait. This flower.
What's flower?
What is meaning of किधर
Lips.
lips?
Leaves.
What?
What is meaning in
What do you say?
What?
ये बताओ कौन सा सब्जेक्ट अच्छा लगता है? कौन सब्जेक्ट अच्छा लगता है?
बैगन
मराठी मध्ये
किती
मराठी सांगते का आमका
आमका मराठी ट्रान्सलेट सांग की
ट्रान्सलेट सांगते आमका
ते
कळत गेलं मराठी
देणे वाटतं
असं
मराठी सब्जेक्ट असा हो हो जरा सांगते अशी
ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೇ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ.
ಕಳ್ಳೀವಳು ನನ್ನ ಕೊಂದೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಳು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾಮಾರಿಸಿ ಮಳ್ಳೀವಳು 8:01 PM.
There is a glass.
पण मराठी दुसरे बरेच की हिंदीच बरेच
I have something to try to
Okay, I'll tell.
What? Tell me. What?
then to
My tongue is hurting.
oh why
No, I'll translate
Then you are
that
frog?
in- Arey,
then
no,
you are frog carp carp
no. I'm not a frog.
It's a
then
ghost.
No.
then tell me what is
No. You are monkey.
translate
You are
No,
rich, no?
no.
Rich.
Not rich. No.
Hey, what is meaning
then-
in rich in Marathi?
I don't know.
no then you are not interested
I know what.
You know about
Chudel.
huh
Chudel.
chudel
No, it's
no it's wrong
rich
it's wrong
is
rich पैसा वाला
rich.
Rich?
Rich no rich WRDH
Rich means
yeah.
what?
जादूगर होत पडते भूत हा इंदर छोटा भीमा इंदर होत पडते
चुडेल
घेणत पडते दांड घेऊन
magical woman
इट्स अ मॅजिकल
क्या beach
WICH.
beach
यू सी
it's not
यू सीन वेअर
No.
Really?
No.
यू सीन रिअली
Not.
you look like beach
अबे साले जो माफ करना मैं इधर
12 seconds later.
No.
why no you are beach
No, I'm not.
beach I don't
ಅಳಕ್ಕಾಗ್ದೆ ನಗಕ್ಕಾಗ್ದೆ ಅಳಕ್ಕಾಗ್ದೆ ಬಾಳಕ್ಕಾಗ್ದೆ ಸಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗ್ದೆ ಮರಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗ್ದೆ
you are beach
No, I'm not.
beach I don't beach
Same to you, back to you, Lucky.
यू आर रिच
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
you
No.
beach
No.
टेक दैट
Not rich means
your language is glitch
1 minute 37 seconds later.
That is not rich. Rich. Rich.
beach
WICH.
WRDH
spelling wrong
TSH. No.
What about you?
then will you speak
I'm not speaking company
speaking English please teach to me English to talk to one day spoken English
You can't. Understand?
hey
brother no for sure
You
He's hitting me.
No. You can't understand his English.
why
ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೀಪ್ ಅನಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾರೆ ಜನ.
and what for you
it's not understand any
what
language
for you
Now say something.
friend
I will something to talk to
your
you
friend is
No.
you are my
He's
brother
my brother.
ah
Hi.
okay
He is not telling you your sister.
तू समझा? हाँ नहीं तू समझा नहीं
It's Motu.
Yes, मोटू बोला बोला क्या
मोटू जल्दी से कुछ करो.
मैं क्या करूं? खाली पेट मेरे दिमाग की बत्ती नहीं जलती. तुम ही कुछ सोचो. कैसी लगी? आगे स्वाद.
बोरे
ये फंस गया सीएम.
प्यारी समझ गई.
कर को वीडियो कर का.
चल 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 चल. गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर.
रुको जरा, सबर करो. बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने का, आराम से लेने का. हाँ.
Hey, then you say, what the meaning of माझा महिला?
I don't know.
डिप्रेशन. मैं डिप्रेशन में रहता हूँ हमेशा. अभी मैं डिप्रेशन में हूँ. माँ कसम. मैं डिप्रेशन में रहता हूँ हमेशा. सिर में दर्द रहता हूँ.
कुत्र्या सारखा मारतात. There, hey, tell me.
Tell me in English.
कुत्र्या सारखा मारतात.
प्यारी समझ गई.
What is meaning? Marathi.
You said wrong.
What wrong? You are wrong.
नाही, कुत्र्यासारखं मारतात.
Yeah. I like it. Language. Then I will say to you. Then I will not understanding meanings. कुत्र्यासारखा
मारतात.
किसको?
मारतात.
कुत्र्यासारखा मारतात. तुका मारतात. तुका मारकाच.
I doesn't understand Kannada.
ಈ ಕಿವಿಲಿ ಗುಗ್ಗೆ ಪಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳು. ಅಭಿ ಮಜಾ ಆएगा ಬಿಡು.
Hey, you know in Kannada mean huns. I will say you. Huns mean huns.
He is my
मतलब वो अलग ही लेवल का बंदा था.
foot.
You eat huns? Yes. Then talk hung. Yes. You eat huns?
No, he is a
Yes.
No.
You know it.
I'm the king of
It's monkey.
No.
Yes.
Huns mean you. Then you will talk. You will say you would eat huns. Then I will talk to what is meaning.
Mumbai.
Okay.
You eat.
It's
You
a
eat huns.
Mumbai.
Yeah. You eat huns. Then I will to translate to in Kannada to Konkani. Then I will teach to you.
Foot.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूँ. लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
Then to you say
It's font
you eat huns.
You know about the
You
font
eat
filling of
hoods?
RCB?
You. I will say. Then you
RCB.
tell to me I eat huns. Then you say.
You know about
You will
I
say.
doesn't eat.
You eat huns.
Okay, wait. I'll tell. I'll
You
answer
know about
grandmother.
Friend for
ये फंस गया सीएम.
12 o'clock midnight.
Hey, your name is Churki.
चुटकी मारता बरं. चुटकी मारता.
चुटकी 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 ला 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 ला.
चुटकी. चुटकी. अरे
भैया
50 बार बोल रहे हैं पढ़ने निकले वाले छात्रों को राजनीति से दूर रहना चाहिए हैं? अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो।